G'day guys, Nick here from the Wellington Squirrel office with this week's latest interest rate update. Hey look, there's been a bit of jostling amongst the banks this week, which has been a bit interesting to watch. As a result, I want to cover off 3 things you should be across and 3 things that we're keeping a close eye on. First off, we've got the OCR coming up. That's due on the 8th of July. Everyone's still anticipating an increase here and potentially increases through to the rest of the year. So we'll be looking at a 3% OCR come early 2027, and the Reserve Bank sees that as a neutral. Second thing, swap rates. Now this has been the driver for the jostling that we've seen amongst the banks. Swap rates were high and they've come back down low. And that's probably indicative of what's going on in the Middle East. A bit of stability there is starting to flow through to our local financial markets. Now, if you've read my latest property update, you'll note that I mentioned Donny's been looking for a bit of a sugar hit for his potential voters, and he's got that with a bit of stability in the Middle East. Whether or not it stays this way, who knows? The third thing I wanted to touch on is how I'm currently structuring my clients' lending. Now, because of the volatility out there, I am taking a bit of a spread approach. All right, I am focusing on the 2-year rate, but I'm adding in a touch of the 1 year and a touch of the 3 year, just to give us that spread. You'll never win big, but you'll never lose big either. And I'm a big fan of this approach.